Welcome to the first lecture on outputting data. In Python, if we want to print a statement, if we want to display something, the way to go about it is using the print function. So if I use the print function, now if you have prior programming experience, you will know that a function is denoted by the pair of parentheses. So if I have written the print keyword, rather not the print keyword, rather the print function name, and if I followed it up by a pair of parentheses, it means that print is a function. I'll reiterate this point. See, print is a name, right? Print is an identifier. Now, if I follow up an identifier with a pair of parentheses, it means that the identifier is a function name. Now, if I want to display an output on my screen, then I can use the print function. And whatever I want to print, let's say I want to print a string, let's say I want to print a statement or a message, I would enclose it within double quotes. So let's say today is Sunday, and now if I run this cell, now to run a cell in Jupyter Notebook, we use the key combination Shift Enter. So if I hit Shift Enter, I can see that, and along with hitting Shift Enter, not only do I get the output, but I also get a new cell. As you can see that the cursor is now blinking in the next cell. So if I want to execute a cell and at the same time generate a new cell, then I can use the key combination Shift Enter. And I can see that the output is showing up on my screen. The message, which I have enclosed within double quotes, is showing up on my screen. Now, if I want to print a string, it's not necessary that I always have to enclose it within double quotes. Strings can also be enclosed within single quotes. So if I type the same string within single quotes, I get the same output. Okay. So that's how we go about printing a statement in Python. Now, let's say we combine single quote and double quote. Would it work? Let's have a look. It wouldn't. Why? Whatever we use, we have to ensure consistency. So if we are using double quote at the beginning, we have to end the string with a double quote. If you're using a single quote at the beginning, we have to end the string with a single quote. Using a combination of double quote and single quote won't work. Whether you use a double quote at the beginning and a single quote at the end, or whether you use a single quote at the beginning, as I'm about to show you, and double quote at the end, you would still get the same error. Okay, so whatever you use, please ensure consistency. Please use it throughout. So if you're using double quotes, use double quotes throughout. If you're using single quotes, then please use single quotes throughout the string. Fine. But this is handy, like double quotes, single quotes, using both may be essential at times. I'll give you an example. Let's say I want to use an apostrophe S. So I can say today's day is special. And if I hit enter, I can see that it works, right? So because I have the flexibility of using double quotes as well as single quotes with strings, if my string contains a single quote, I can use double quotes to enclose it. See, my string is the part that I've highlighted. Today's day is special. Now today's day is special, it contains an apostrophe S. Now since it contains an apostrophe S, a single quote is used in the string. As a result, we decide to enclose the string within double quotes. Had we required the use of double quotes within the string, then we could have enclosed the string within single quotes. Okay, so that's how using both double quotes as well as single quotes for strings helps. So I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you again in the next one. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and your support means a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.